Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how can you download Figma. So for downloading it, search here Figma download and just wait. Now go to this first link. So here, now scroll down and then go to this link, Desktop App for Windows. If you are Windows, and if you are on Mac, you can click on this download for Mac. As I am on Windows, I am clicking on it. So here you can see the Figma is downloading. So just wait, it will take some time to install as it is of 119 MBs. Okay, so now double click it to install. Just wait. So now here you can see the Figma is installed and it is showing to sign in to Figma or create a new one if you are new. So now you can start designing. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.